Welcome folks, this is the Hindu 17th of Jan. Article is related to space and technology. The article is ISRO likely to push Venus mission Shukrayaan 1 to 2031, that is 2031, around 7 years, after 7 or 8 years from now. So the article is in a talk January 9, P. Sri Kumar, the Satish Dhawan professor at the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO and advisor to its space science program, said that the organization was yet to receive approval from the Union government for the Venus mission, and that the mission could, to be postponed to 2031. ISRO's Venus mission Shukrayaan 1 was expected to be launched in December 2024. The idea was born in 2012. 5 years later, ISRO commenced preliminary studies after the Department of Space received a 23% increase in 2017-18 budget. The organization sought payload proposal from a research institute in April 2017. Optimal launch window from Earth to Venus occur once around every 19 months. This is why ISRO has backup launch dates in 2016 and 28 should it miss the 2024 opportunity, but even more optimal windows which further reduce the amount of fuel required at liftoff come around every 8 years. Mr. Sri Kumar, speaking at Indo-French astronomy meeting at the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Bengaluru, said Shukrayaan was originally scheduled for 2023 launch, but that right now the 2031 window is very good. He added that the mission was waiting for formal approval from and money which are required for the spacecraft assembly and testing. He said both the US and European space agencies had Venus mission planned for 2031, referring to Veritas and Envision, which are respective projects respectively, while China might go anytime 2020, 2026, 27, and whenever they want to go. ISRO had originally hoped to launch Shukrayaan in mid 2023, but cited the pandemic when it pushed the date to December 2024. Other ISRO mission, including Aditya L1, Chandrayaan 3 have been affected by the manufacturing delays and commercial launch commitments. Shukrayaan 1 will be an orbital mission. It's a scientific payload currently include a high resolution synthetic aperture radar and a ground penetrating radar. The mission is expected to study Venus geological and volcanic activities, emission on the ground, wind speed, and cloud cover, and other planetary characteristics from an elliptical orbit. ISRO received an allocation of 13,700 crore in the 2022-23 budget, marginally higher than the year before. The bulk was diverted to human space flight mission Gaganyaan ahead of the forthcoming budget announcement, and following recent reforms in the private space flight sector, various industry groups have drafted a wish list including boosts to local manufacturing and procurement. Thank you, guys.